today's class we are starting with chloroform as next topic of alkyl halides. Okay, that is what trialkyl halides, as we have got in our portion monoalkyl halides and trialkyl halides. Okay, and aryl halides in our portion. So we are starting with trialkyl halides, that is chloroform, that is CHCl3, that is chloroform. Okay. Now, if this is a chloroform to be discussed, and this is CHCl3, this is basically called and trichloromethane. Okay, and when we talk about trichloromethane, we have got detailed confirmations related to it, and that is basically preparations first. So preparation number one, if I take it like this one, that is what? CaOCl2. This is called a bleaching powder. Okay, bleaching powder. Okay, you're treating this bleaching powder with water. Once you're treating this one with water, this becomes what? CaOH whole twice, CaOH whole twice, and chlorine is removed out. So once this chlorine is removed out, CaOH whole twice is removed out over here. So what we should do? You are taking like this one CH3, say COCH3 is there. This is an acetone. You are treating this acetone with calcium, with chlorine. Once you are treating this one with chlorine, that is, you take 3 molecules of chlorine over here. So once you are taking 3 molecules of chlorine, this becomes CCl3, COCH3 plus 3HCl is out or not. This is called trichloroacetone. Trichloroacetone. Now you have taken this as a bleaching powder plus water is converted into calcium hydroxide plus chlorine over here. You are taking as trichloroacetone. Now take this trichloroacetone. Please see. Okay, treat this one with calcium hydroxide. Once you are treating this one with calcium hydroxide, what will happen? CHCl3 is out. From here also CHCl3 is out. That means you are getting 2 CHCl3 or not. Dekho, 2 CHCl3, CHCl3. Okay, and simultaneously what you are getting? Dekho, CH3COO, CH3COO, and whole twice. Why whole twice? CH3COO, whole twice, and Ca. It's called calcium acetate. This is the first method of preparation of chloroform. First method of preparation of chloroform we have discussed. The next one, if you take into consideration about these functions, let us say for example with acetaldehyde. This is what with acetone. Calcium acetate how? CH3COO, whole twice. Okay. Now how will you represent this particular thing? Next one, just see. The next one is what? With calcium CaOCl2 again plus water. That is giving you what? CaOH whole twice plus Cl2. Okay, so this is acetaldehyde, you take it into consideration. CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. You treat this one with 3Cl2. So what will you get it? CCl3, CHO is obtained plus 3HCl is out. This is called a trichloroacetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde. This trichloroacetaldehyde is also known as chloral. It is also called chloral. Now this trichloroacetaldehyde is there. This is then treated with calcium hydroxide again. The same proposition. Calcium hydroxide. So once you are treating this one with calcium hydroxide, so this is becoming what? CHCl3 is out. From here also CHCl3 is out. That means this is giving you what? 2 CHCl3 plus HCOO whole twice. Just see, HCOO whole twice, HCOO whole twice, and Ca. This is called calcium formate. Calcium formate. Okay, this is another method of preparation of what? Chloroform. So you get to know about, there are 2 methods right now. We have discussed about 2 methods of preparation of chloroform. Both are with acetaldehyde as well as with acetone. That means both are constituting on the basis of carbonyl compounds. Similarly, you have got another way, irrespective of this bleaching powder, we are putting another way, that is with NaOH. So how will you form with an NaOH? You can form with an NaOH in this manner. Just see. You have with NaOH. Third method. You have CH3COCH3 and you've got 3Cl2 again. So once you've got 3Cl2 again, this is becoming what? CCl3, CO, CH3 plus 3HCl. Okay, this is trichloroacetone. Trichloroacetone. Now you do have what? CCl3, CO, CH3, and you've got NaOH in aqueous form. So instead of bleaching powder, we are putting NaOH. There's a basic difference between the two. So what you should do? CHCl3 will be out, and this is becoming CHCl3, and CH3, COONA can be obtained. Okay, this is another method of preparation. Fourth, the fourth method. If you take it again, the same thing. You have an acetaldehyde. You're treating this one with 3Cl2 again. This becomes CCl3CHO plus 3HCl. This is called chloral. Just now I told you, this CCl3CHO is then treated with NaOH in aqueous form. So what you should do? CHCl3 will be out, CHCl3 will be out, and simultaneously HCOONA is obtained. Okay, this is the fourth method of preparation. Same thing we are doing over here. Instead of putting out calcium bleaching powder, calcium hypochlorite, we are putting out NaOH into an account over here. The fourth method. Similarly, the last method of preparation, last two methods, fifth and sixth method, just see. Fifth method is what? You have got CH4 plus 3Cl2. It's a simple reaction. Okay, UV sunlight. Controlled chlorination. CC, you know it very well. 11th standard. From 11th standard, I am teaching you. CC means controlled chlorination. This becomes what? CHCl3. Okay, and this is what? Coming up to be 3HCl or not. And the last method is what? CCl4 you take it. That is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, treat this one with 2H in presence of tin and HCl. So HCl will be out, and it's becoming CHCl3 or not plus HCl. These are the methods of preparation of chloroform. Okay, now if these are the methods, please write down the physical properties of chloroform. You write it, I am dictating. Chloroform is a physical properties of chloroform. Chloroform is a sweet smelling colorless liquid. Sweet smelling colorless liquid. When inhaled in a small quantity, it causes unconsciousness. But if it is inhaled in large quantity, it may even cause death. This is because on exposure to air, chloroform converts into a dangerous gas, which is called phosgene gas. So phosgene we will discuss tomorrow.